Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to uninstall an app on our Android device, and now let's dive right in. Now, to uninstall an app on an Android device, you can open up a menu over here and you can just tap and hold on the app which you want to uninstall, and this kind of pop-up will appear. Here you can see there is the uninstall option available for us, but if in your case it's not available on your phone, tap on the settings of your phone like this. Open the settings and we will be required to scroll down to the app section of our phone. Tap on apps and this kind of panel will appear where you can see there is the app management option available for us at the top of the screen. Tap on the app management and you will be over here. Now search for the app which you want to uninstall from a device. Suppose I'll be uninstalling this app for a moment, and over here on this interface, after you have opened it from over here guys, you can see there is the uninstall button available for us just beside the first stop. Tap on uninstall and that app will be uninstalled on your phone. And with that being said guys, this is how to uninstall an app on your Android device. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.